Ready? Oh! Woo! Oh my God, it's ankle deep right here. Holy crap! Ah! Oh my God, look how deep it is. Oh my God! Oh my God, it's so fast moving.
Wait, there's about to be a like.
Oh God, we gotta watch out. Look at this way. We have to keep venturing.
What?
It's a river. Look at the drain. Holy crap.
Whoa, look.
Oh, right here. It's so deep. It's so deep. Holy crap. Look how fast it's running. Ah! Run!
Here comes your dad.
Oh my God, my dad's coming. Oh my God.
Oh, I saw Ranger.
What? We gotta go get the boat. Let's go. It's a lake. Holy crap. Yeah, I am not lying when I say this is like the most it's rained in like a year. Oh, look at that. Holy crap.
Coming?
No, I think it's too much rain. It's awesome to watch.
Let it sail by itself.
Let's let it sail. Woo!
It's literally sailing by itself. This is insane. Oh, it stopped.
It's so cold.
Okay. Oh my God. Literally, the entire street is flowing. Look how deep this is. I can put my entire foot in. Look how fast it's moving. Oh my God, it's covering the entire street. Oh my God. This is insane. Today, this was just grass, but now it's a lake. Holy crap. Hey, look how deep it is. It starts off and then it just gets deep. Oh my God. I'm literally at knee depth right now. Oh my God. Like, it's just deep. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's past my knees. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look how deep it is. Oh my God. This is insane. This is so deep. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's look at that. All of this is just grass. But now, oh, there's even a little river. Now, it's just a pond. Oh, it was even deeper over here. I want to see what it's like over here. Like over here, this big drop off. It's a whirlpool. I gotta be careful where I step though, because there's a drop of whoop. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's waist deep. It's waist deep. The water is literally right there, and it is waist deep. It's literally waist deep. Look at it. It's waist deep. Oh my God. Sawyer! Sawyer! It's waist deep. Oh my God, this is insane. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time.
Feel like I got the antidote. When you wave your pantyhose, sing the chorus, and it goes. I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please?